Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, verify the battery health and ensure the vehicle is in park with ignition off. This prevents false resets. Once done, power the car to accessory mode and hold the SOS button for 10 seconds to force a soft reset of the emergency call module. This clears transient faults. Make sure you watch the instrument cluster and iDrive notifications while you hold the button, because the system will report status changes and log codes that you'll use for the next step. Once you've captured the initial status, connect ISTA/D or a capable OBDRoman2 tool and read DTCs in the telematics and telephony modules. Those codes tell you whether the issue is software, SIM, or antenna related. If ISTA suggests a software calibration, apply the update and reflash the telematics control unit. This resolves most logic errors. Make sure to reinitialize the emergency call registration and run an antenna and SIM validation procedure so the unit re-registers on the network correctly. You finish by performing a simulated SOS test to confirm voice and data route through to BMW assistance. Observe call completion and check for signal quality. If hardware DTCs persist after software steps, replace the telematics control unit or SIM following BMW part procedures, because hardware faults are the only remaining cause. If the test still fails, inspect the antenna harness and grounding. As a troubleshooting tip, try a known good operator SIM. If that restores service, the fault was network or SIM related, not the module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.